Enough of them feel like me that bleach out my face and go on with a bag of things. But I still hold it. We can go and see it throughout the world and the past that I tried. Yeah. So I like to say something because guess what? I not only come pay my dues, but I'm still holding it.
Mother road. A boy can't beat me, I try friend me.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, kings and queens, line and line. Speak up on yourself. All of our love and blessings we send and give thanks to life. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Jah. You always live in love, man. Share the food, share the joy, unity in the Rasta community. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You know why? Yes, so we keep it real on the back of field. Yes, man, we burn fire when fire for burn, and we dash water when if you dash. Yes, what me say? Oh my gosh, yeah, man, big up everybody, man, on the platform. If you're not subscribed, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. Feel free to subscribe and click the bell. Saying it's up to you. Yes, think twice before you make that choice. I know we're not beg for anyone here, and you know what I mean. We're not buy views. Yeah. So in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, we have update for show. Say look at Addy, and Shelly and are going at it back forth. Not at such still, but yeah. You see me Vybz Kartel in like what I go on, so I'm gonna show you why me say that in the like what I go on. You see me? We also have Khago over in page at Tr0 Octane. Khago say win. See Octane say win. So who win? Leave it in the comment section, let me know. Yes, man, we also have Tr0 Determined, aka Tr0. You know what I mean? The Kete drum artist. I make a speech, spiritual piece, powerful speech. So you need to listen to what I say. You know what I mean? And the reason why, you know what I mean? Him just make certain actions. So all of the fans of Determined, when you want to hear him say, so make sure you don't go nowhere, we are forward back. Alright.
I don't normally talk like this to girls online. I'm not lying. But from I saw your profile, my whole life ignite, girl. My world was in darkness, but to bring forth light. When I said I want to, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it.
Yes, man, that's my track titled I Want You. It'll drop soon. You know, so I say, so stay tuned. The people them say, I get crazy feedback. Yes, so I say, the people them say, I find it, you know, but I don't know. Or who know are the fans if you decide if I hit or not. You see me? I don't know. Any form of support is highly appreciated. Yeah, man. So now we kick it off with Vybz Kartel and, you know, Look Addy and Shelly and Coran. Big up Look Addy, Shelly and Coran and Vybz Kartel. Seeing so, I saw this post. Yeah, Shelly and Coran save it in her favorites, but it was originally posted from, I don't know, original Gaza. And you see, Shemar McKennan is one of fully 100% Gaza who posts enough of Kartel songs also. You see me say? And it stated, at Vybz Kartel's son, at Look Addy, UTG, response to at Shelly McCurran, false DNA results. And if you're looking at the comment section, I saw Vybz Kartel music, SMH. I know SMH has shit my head. So that I tell you, say, Vybz Kartel never expect that. You know what I mean? I'm not really up with it. You see what I say? I'm maybe him not care about the controversy and him son get caught up in the social media controversy. You see what I say? So SMH shit in my head, that means he's not happy, he's not up with it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But me I say relating to the child, you know, and the mother is stressful, also stressful and Look at Addy as well. Stressful and Kartel as well. You see what I say? And Shorty. So the best way for it to resolve is for them to do it properly and do a proper DNA test, because the mother still adamant that Look at Addy is the daddy. You see what I say? And they must say Shorty tampered with the DNA. You see what I say? So at the end of the day, the young juvenile will suffer when him grow up and go hear say my jacket and, you know, father disown him or, you know what I mean? I think they should all come together and try resolve it the right way, so everybody know the truth and happy. You see what I say? Just for the sake of the child. But for now, let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Big up Shelly and Coran, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Look at Addy, big up the baby mother. You see what I say? And big up, I don't know, Shemar McKennan. You see what I say? Original Gaza, big up on yourself. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So now we are turning light to Khago. Yes, Khago, if I'm live back at it again, I talk to him fans and I say, yo, him claim victory and acting and look friend and a ball a peg a buy out the war, friend out the war. You see me? So, I'm going to hear Khago say himself, you don't know, big up Sky God, man funny, full of humor, talented, big up acting, very talented artist, bad, big up the two artists, them bad, them create history, you know what I mean? Yes, man, so, acting I say, before we make see the video still, Octane make a post. Octane commented under one Khago video. And this is what he commented and said. Rufago, you're dead long time, but my gun them still full of shots. So run. Dancehall, Shibi. It be a whole heap of laughing emoji, you see me? And you don't know a good vibes as me say. If you see Octane underneath, not under wipe on the underneath. Yes, we see Octane over Khago page a comment. So we are saying big up Octane, big up Khago. Watch the video them from Khago.
Mother road. A boy can't beat me, I try friend me. I come and talk about a plan like you want the people them say, no, I no real beef. Well, let me tell you something. We are ghetto people, man. We suck of a chicken back, aka ghetto steak. Hot queer, there is nowhere to run. We block up every entrance. You can't, yes, there is no escape. Forget about the beef, we work with the ghetto steak. Yes, you just surprised 10% of Jamaica. Ibalata swing Khago we are. You're upset. Even if I plan, we plan the war, the people. Then I wish man are going to war, I never plan it. Yes, you're right, I plan war. Yeah. Look at one jazz boy about him buy man BMW. Look at one jazz boy about him buy man BMW. He girl them say the first artist they see make millions. I don't go have one jazz. Yes, if me ask you why word BMW no and goodly no know. He goodly see a bite woman wicked. What? Bite woman wicked, they ask you why word BMW mean. He say bite woman wicked. Eh? I don't know what I talk about. Eh? Don't what this little girl I talk about in the major whitely. Eh?
Hey, Khago, the easy. The Khago said the definition for BMW for Octane is bite woman wicked, but a bite double that. I bet the Khago this a bite man wicked. But anyway, big up the two artists them. The two artists that were showing one another. I say the clash nice and you know what I mean, good for say Octane the over Khago page a comment, you see me? And them a claim victory, who claim victory from who claim victory. So Khago make the post here. Wanted Khago. Reward $49 million for the extermination of Ajax Steel. Yo, the Khago wanted for the extermination of the assassination of Ajax Steel. Viewers and subscribers, the fans of Octane and Khago, let me know who win the war. You know what I mean? Khago say most Jamaican have vote for him, so Octane surprised, you know what I mean? And disappointed. But anyway, we are moved to Meshach now. We're in the vlog with Meshach. So big up yourself, Meshach determined did also a shooter for Khago, you see me? You can say Octane couldn't keep up with Khago. So here Meshach have to say, and this is very positive and spiritual. See? Go shots.
It's a beer. I must answer, must answer. Glory be to the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, as Charles in the beginning. Christ now and never shall be a most high God, justify. Bless us all, the word from our name out and the meditation of our night be acceptable in thy sight, O most high God, justify. Cut and clearings and tear, all things and germs. Most high indeed, when I put an anxious glorious things have spoken of thee, was the depth imperial majesty. Most high. Glory be to the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. This child was in the beginning, just now and ever shall be. Go give thanks, my people. Greetings. It's a beer. Maskana. Yeah, man. Blessings to each and every one. To each and every houses. Rasta house. Ballad house. Every house. repatriation fundamental churchical statical. Do give thanks, divine blessings from I and I to each and every one throughout the world. Yeah, them all know this is I determine. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Mother Bennett, boy from St. Mary. And I'd like to say something. I want to say a lot of things. But I know a lot of people know some cut my locks a couple years ago now. And a lot of them did feel like say I did go stay and take a different turn. Enough of them feel like me that bleach out my face and go with a bag of things. But I still hold it. You can go and see it throughout the world and the past that I tried. Yeah. So me like to say something because guess something, I not only come pay my dues, but I'm still holding it. Yeah. Greetings again, one love. Rastafari, blessings to each and every one. My people, enough people see me trim, and them never yet look at me and say, yo, Rasta, why you cut your bull? I talk to Kalonji, and him talk to me about it. Yeah. No Rasta, no Jed, no one call me and say, yo, you alright, you? How things? Them spread the rumor upon the internet, them do all type of things. I lost almost everything, but I still had my life. So, me cutting my locks was like refreshing my soul, my spirit, my inner person. Was starting all over again, was getting away from the fortune and the fame, the sorcerers, the science, the bad energy, the bad eyes, the bad thoughts. I just freed myself up. That's where my shock came in. Because I wasn't hiding, but I needed a new, fresh identity to just be normalized. I went and I did normal things like normal people. But I still stayed on the track of Rastafari. I still praised His Majesty in every way. I still do that Bible in book. I still realize that I got to hear the sound of the drums. I stayed away from the place of destructions. I tried my best not to get involved in things that is against salvation. I talk to the Christians. I talk to the worldlians. I never get mixed up with no form of people that are content. Although they were all over offering gifts, trying to be friends. I still keep the status of a Rastafari and tread within the manner shirt in pants. Salvation order, Bobo order. No one can ever say they ever see me in America acting like I don't know myself. But I let out my outer ego, the dark side of me. Because after seeing what I've been through as a Rasta, and when I look, no one, not even family. So I let out the dark side of me, which is me shock. That's what I call it. That name just came just like determined. And when I let that side out, I started to speak different. I start to see evil. I start to know what is evil.
Yeah, man, that's the end of the vlog. Big up yourself, me, shot determined, stay positive and really see me, brother. And your locks in your heart define who you are. You see me, I say enough man of them locks and now live clean and real. You see me? A certain circumstances where I cut mine to you see it. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, big up the Poor People Production Studio in a Painland. See it? I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.